Okay, for today's project, something a little different. We're going to install a clean out in our main sewer line. A couple of weeks ago, noticed a toilet gurgling, which isn't normal, and with just the washing machine running, and then it wouldn't flush, so I got a little suspicious. I crawled under the house and tapped on the plastic drain line, and it felt pretty solid, like it was full of water. Went down to the street, which is, I don't know, like 10 feet below us, and there was nothing flowing. So pretty sure we were backed up, stopped everything, and measured out and found our sewer line coming out of the house, which is right here. I left the hole open, so you can hear it. It's right there, and it's actually like cast iron or steel pipe. And there's the piece I cut out. I just temporarily, anyway, cut into it with a angle grinder and a cutting disc, and then had to let all the water back out of it. Once finally did that, we went and got a drain opener that goes on the end of a hose, shoved it down there, and I'll show you down here the street where the clean out going to the street goes. I had seen this clean out before, but never opened it. And it's here somewhere. Anyway, I got a new cap to go on it, so when we do, oh, right there, I had to break the lid out of it. But apparently it comes out and then drops straight down, so I couldn't get back in this way with anything. So what I did is put the hose on the drain king, we call it. I don't know if that's a brand name, but put the hose in, turned it on, and looked down at the street, and all of a sudden there was a geyser of like feces and black water shooting out of that pipe. So I knew I had moved it. I apparently moved the clog down because that stayed clogged. Brought the hose down, pushed it the rest of the way to the city sewer, and all was good. But since there's no clean out up here at the house, I left the hole open. Of course, that day was like 95 degrees and the ground was like concrete. So I left the hole open and got the material to save for a later day to install the clean out. We got all the pieces. I'm going to excavate all this because we're going to have to cut both sides of the pipe and install the clean out. So I'll save you the digging, and we'll bring you back when we've got a hole opened up. Okay, we've gotten this hole cleaned out as much as I can handle. We're going to try cutting it now. That's the little rectangles, the hole I cut out last time, and I did that with an angle grinder and about got electrocuted in the process. So got this bad boy here we're going to give it a shot with. We're going to use this masonry type saw, and hopefully it'll cut through it a lot easier. Now this ground was like digging concrete. I probably would have been better off with dynamite, so I dug out as little as I thought I could get away with. So we're going to try it right here and see what happens.
are you going to fix it?
I gotta get it off first.
Okay, now you can see I'm not being showered anymore, so apparently they decided to bury the water line 1 inch from the sewer line, even though in the house it's like a foot away. So cut right through that thing, got it shut off. So now I'm going to try to dig away some of the mud and see what it's going to take to fix that, and then excavate it down and do the next cut, and we'll just go from there.